Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos. Got another unboxing, not unbagging, but technically maybe a little unbagging because there's a box and a bag inside, I believe. But I have an unbagging of a think tank bag. If you're into photography, many people know about think tank. It's probably top of the line for the pros, especially for urban environment. But they have a sister company called MindShift, and they deal more with the landscape and outdoor photography, meaning like hiking and that kind of stuff. And for the longest time, I wanted a think tank, or I should say, a MindShift backpack. I don't have any at this present time, and about 2 weeks ago, B&H Photo had a sale on think tank bags, specifically the think tank Backlight 26L. A few days later, they had a sale on the 36L, but I didn't need a 36L. I've got plenty of backpacks like that, but I wanted this one because this one is going to be good. This is going to be a good in-between. You know, I either have Shimoda for my real backpacking needs, but those are big bags, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 liter bags. This one is, again, 26L. So let's go ahead and go through the unboxing. I've already cut the box open because I'm not cool. I don't have a razor blade or a cool knife and I can't flick it out. My first impression's bigger than I thought, in a good way. All right. The color is called Woodland Gray. They call it the Backlight 26L Photo Day Pack. And again, MindShift, some quality bags, just like think tank bags. Matter of fact, upstairs I probably have about 10 different think tank bags, from rollers to the retrospective series. Let's go ahead and unbag it. I like the color. Interesting. Very interesting. So a couple things about the bag. It fits up to a 15-liter laptop, and I think it even has a place for a tablet. It also has two external pockets for water or for tripods. As you can see, it has a waist belt. It's got ties so that you can do ice packs or walking sticks. We'll start with the front. Fairly nice pocket right here, but also right below here is something for tripods. And we'll explain a little bit more later. Nice. Let's go to the side. Again, water bottle and a compression strap. The opposite side, same thing, another water bottle pocket and a suppression. And you notice it has on the waist belt, it's got straps so you can hang stuff off of this if you need to. On the top, this is for if you're doing a tripod down the middle, and this will hold it on the top right there. And then we'll go ahead and open up the main pouch. You have these two fasteners for the compression. And then you can open this all the way down. And then you can see how big the inside is. Again, laptop here, tablet here, pens, business cards, and a very large pouch. If I remember correctly, I think it's up to about 9 liters inside. And then, of course, you got the main place for everything. But before we do that, let's talk about the straps. Oh, the straps are nice. Chest strap. Very nice. And then, of course, the inside where all the camera gear is. Now, if you buy think tank bags, they give you a, I don't know what you want to say, a little guide on how you could set this up. It usually has one side on the second side where it shows you different ways to set it up. The silicant, always a little card, a brochure book that tells you everything about all the different kind of bags that they have. And to be honest with you, I have most of the bags. The only thing I don't really have is the big manager bags, and that's probably on my list for next year. And then of course it comes with a rain pouch, a rain cover, I should say, not a rain pouch, a rain cover for the bag. Now the good thing about this bag is if you see it, it's got plenty of space for a lot of different items. My intent on this one is to put my DJI Air 3, the controller, my Fuji X-T5, probably my 7200, my 7300, and depending on the days, if there's a good thing, I might even take my 150 to 600. And then of course, you know, my ND filters and that kind of stuff if I'm shooting outdoors. This is a nice bag. This is good because everything is in place. You don't have to move stuff around. Some of my other bags, like my Shimoda and my f-stop bags, you can take the camera cube or the camera padding all the way out and you can swap it around. But sometimes that's a pain in the butt to do that. So again, this is the MindShift Backlight 26L camera bag. Oh, I forgot to cover this piece right here. If you look right here, you have two pouch or two places to put items. You also have this drawstring. This drawstring is designed so that you can wear it. For an example, this would be in front of you and you would take this belt and put it up around your neck. And that way you can keep it open while you're moving objects or replacing lenses. And I'll actually demo this out in the field one of these days. So with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so you can follow me in my adventures. Tomorrow, it's a snow day, so we're going to try to go out. It's been snowing all day today here in South Korea. I'm hoping there'll still be snow tomorrow. I'm going to try to fly my drone in the snow and get some photos. So again, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.